So welcome back. In the first video that I recorded for you, I said that most traditional insurance sales training doesn't work. The question is, how come? Well, the problem is it's often rehashed, regurgitated, handed down insurance sales gospel that just simply doesn't work today with the more educated consumers that you're really facing every day in your agency. And unfortunately, it's responsible for a tremendous amount of needless agent suffering and lost income, and I want to put a stop to that. So what's my objective for this channel? Well, it's to just simply equip you with the information, ideas, and especially the inspiration you need to help create and maintain the agency of your dreams. So what does that mean? Well, for most of my insurance agency owner clients, it means a highly predictable and growing renewal income stream, maximum sales production in all lines, and the fantastic rewards that come with that. The big bonuses, the big carrier incentives like travel and such. You know what agency owners really want is they want to stop having the clients they spent a lot of money to acquire leave on them. So they want to lock those people down. They want a predictable and growing income stream. They want to stop having their business stolen from them. They want to max out production in all lines, not just for the commissions, but for the powerful retention benefits of having clients own multiple products, especially when those products were acquired through meaningful, thoughtful conversations of a goal-directed nature. We'll talk more about that in another video. The end result are households that stay with you for decades, pay you the maximum amount of money per household, and that's what really builds real wealth. It's money per household, it's dollars per household times the number of households you have, but especially times the time you keep them. And that's really the key here, is we need to keep these households paying you renewals as long as possible. That's what builds real wealth for you and your family. The last piece of the puzzle that my clients want are proven systems and processes, because you can't run an agency without systems and processes, or else that agency will be running you. You might have experienced that already. They want proven systems and processes that allow your sales and service teams to run the business in your absence, right? That's the time freedom we all want. Yet you still get the results, right? You get the multi-line sales, you get the high premium transactions. The only way we're going to make that actually enjoyable for your team is we've got to get rid of the objections. We've got to get rid of the objections, the rejections, the stalls, the delays. It not only costs you money, it burns them out. And when they're burnt out, they leave you. That expensive employee turnover that we all hate and dread is predominantly caused by environment, not compensation. If we can make the environment fun and successful and they're earning with the bonuses that you put in front of them, then they're going to stick around. You're going to put those golden handcuffs on them. What's really cool about that is when the team's really running on all cylinders, you get to focus on the key leadership and mentorship tasks that most agents actually really enjoy. And if you're face-to-face with a client, you're not doing boring policy reviews and things like that. You're writing big ticket, often high premium life insurance sales and writing other types of business in cases, maybe commercial lines that put a lot of money in your pocket, but don't actually take a whole lot of time. That's the dream business for a lot of agents. Maximizing your personal time, your freedom, and your entrepreneurial flexibility, that's why you got into this business. But over time, a lot of people tend to not really truly have freedom. They're just kind of running away and hiding because things just aren't working well. I want you to be able to get back into that agency and have fun and make a ton of money doing it while still having all the freedom and time you want. Is that a fair deal? Cool. So if any of this sounds like you, whether you're a captive agent, an independent agent, it doesn't matter. This channel is for you. If you even think it's for you, now would be a really good time to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click on the little bell, and that'll make sure you get notified when new videos are released. I hope you enjoy this content. I enjoy putting it together for you. Let's get to work.